All right, the drink we're about to make is called Brandy Buck. Go ahead and fill up your mixing glass with ice and measure out 2 ounces of brandy. There's 1 and 2. And then we'll add 1/4 of an ounce of white creme de cocoa. And next we'll give it a splash of lime juice. There we go. Looks like that's it for the lime juice. And, all right, don't do that. You're going to make your bar back pretty mad. Let's go ahead and shake it up. Just enough to get everything mixed up. And take your glass, pour it in. And you should have room to fill it up with club soda. There we go. You can take your spoon and give it a little stir if you'd like. And garnish it with a lime. Add a straw. And that's it, the Brandy Buck. Bottoms up.